Subject Mathematics Standard 8 Chapter number 5 Expansions Formulae means विस्तार सूत्रे. Expansion of a plus b bracket cube of sum of two terms म्हणजे दोन पदांच्या बेरजेचा घनफळ a plus b multiplied 3 times a plus b multiplied by a plus b multiplied by a plus b. Here a plus b into a plus b means a plus b bracket square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a plus b bracket square. We know that a plus b bracket square is equal to first term square a square plus twice ab plus second term square. There a plus b brackets cube is equal to a plus b multiplied by expansion of this means a square plus twice ab plus b square. a plus b च्या प्रत्येक टर्मला आपण a square plus twice ab plus b square ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो. a multiplied by a square plus twice ab plus b square plus b into a square plus twice ab plus b square. a into a square means a cube plus a into twice ab means twice a square b plus a into b square means ab square plus b into a square means a square b plus b into twice ab means twice a b square plus b into b square equal to b cube is equal to a cube plus here twice ab and here twice a square b and a square b are the like terms. The coefficient of a square b is 1. Therefore, 2 plus 1 means 3 a square b plus here ab square and twice ab square are the like terms. So, 2 plus 1 is 3 ab square plus b cube. Therefore, a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus twice a square b plus twice ab square plus b cube. Using this formula, let us solve the following example. Practice set 5.2. Expand a plus 4 bracket cube. We know that a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus ab. Let us put a is equal to k and b is equal to 4. a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube means k cube plus 3 into a square means k square, b means 4 multiplied by 4 plus 3 into k into b means 4 bracket square plus 4 cube. k cube plus 4 and 3 चा multiplication करू 4 3 that 12 k square plus 3 into k means 3k multiplied by 4 square means 16 plus 4 cube. 4 multiplied by 4 means 64. Therefore, k cube plus 12 k square plus 16 multiplied by 3 means 48k plus 60. k plus k cube is equal to k plus 4 bracket cube is equal to k cube or cube of k plus 4 is equal to k cube plus 12 k square plus 48k plus 64. Example number 2. 7x plus 8y bracket cube or cube of 7x plus 8. Use this formula. A plus b bracket cube or cube of a plus b is equal to cube of a plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Putting a is equal to 7x and b is equal to 8y. Let us put the value. 7x plus 8y bracket cube is equal to a cube means 7x bracket cube plus 3 into a square means 7x bracket square multiplied by b means 8y plus 3 into a means 7x multiplied by b square means 8y bracket square plus b cube. B cube means 8y bracket cube is equal to 7 cube into x cube. See, we know that 7 cube means 343 into x cube plus 3 into 7 square means 49 multiplied by x square multiplied by 8y plus 7 3s are 21 x plus multiplied by 8 square into x into y square. 8 square means 64 y square multiplied by 8 cube. We know that 8 cube means 512 into y cube is equal to 343 x cube plus 3 into 49 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1176. Do the multiplication here. 49 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8 is equal to 1176 x square y plus 21 into 64 we get 1344 xy square plus 512 y. Therefore 7x plus 8y bracket cube is equal to 343 x cube plus 1176 x square y plus 1344 xy square plus 512 y cube. Example number 3. 7 plus m bracket cube or cube of 7 plus m. Here putting a is equal to 7 and m is equal to b. Therefore 7 plus m cube is equal to 7 cube plus 3 into 7 square into b means m plus 3 into 7 into m square plus m cube is equal to. We know that 7 cube is 343 plus 3 into 7 square means 49 into m plus 7 3s are 21 m square plus m cube is equal to 343 plus 3 into 49 is equal to 147 m plus 21 m square plus m cube. Therefore, we can write 7 plus m cube is equal to 343 plus 147 m plus 21 m square plus m cube. Put 52 cube. 52 means 50 plus 2 bracket cube. To find the value of 52 cube, let us use the formula a plus b bracket cube is equal to a cube plus thrice ab plus thrice a square b plus thrice ab square plus b cube. Here a is equal to 50 and b is equal to 2. Means 52 cube is equal to 50 plus 2 cube is equal to a cube means 50 cube plus thrice a square means 50 square multiplied by b means 2 plus 3 into a means 50 multiplied by b square means 2 square plus b cube means 2 cube is equal to 50 cube means 1,25,000 plus 3 into 50 square. 50 square means 5 5s are 25 and putting 2 zeros means 2,500 multiplied by 2 plus 3 5s are 15 means 150 multiplied by 2 square 4 plus 2 cube means 8 is equal to 1,25,000 plus 2,500 multiplied by 2 means 5,000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 15,000 plus 115 multiplied by 4 is equal to 600 plus 8 is equal to, we get 1,40,000 52,608. Therefore, 52 cube is equal to 1,40,608. Example number 5. 101 bracket cube or cube of 101. 101 means 100 plus 1 cube. Let us use the formula. A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus thrice A square B plus thrice AB square plus B cube. Here A is equal to 100 and B is equal to 1. Let us put the value. 100 plus 1 bracket cube is equal to 100 cube plus 3 into A square means 100 square multiplied by 1 plus 3 into A means 100 multiplied by 1 square plus B cube means 1 cube is equal to 100 cube means 1 and 60. 10 lakh plus 3 into 100 square means 10,000 multiplied by 1 means 10,000 plus 3 into 100 means 300 multiplied by 1 square means 1 plus 1 cube means 1 is equal to 10 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 300 and 1 is equal to, we get 10 lakh 30,000 301. 101 cube means 10 lakh 30,000 301. Example number 6. X plus 1 upon x bracket cube. A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus thrice A square B plus thrice AB square plus A cube. Here A is equal to x and B is equal to 1 upon x. X plus 1 upon x bracket cube is equal to A cube means x cube plus 3 into x square into 1 upon x plus 3 into x multiplied by 1 upon x bracket square plus 1 upon x bracket cube is equal to x cube plus, here x and x square get cancelled, therefore we get 3x plus, here 3x upon x square plus 1 upon x cube. Here also x and x square get cancelled, we get is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 3 upon x plus 1 upon x cube. Example number 7. 2x plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube. Let us put the values. We use the formula A plus B bracket cube is equal to A cube plus thrice A square B plus thrice AB square plus B cube. A is equal to 2m and B is equal to 1 upon 5. Here 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube is equal to A cube means 2m cube plus 3 into 2m squared into B means 1 upon 5 plus 3 into 2m into 1 upon 5 square 1 upon 5 squared plus B cube means 1 upon 5 bracket cube is equal to 2 cube means 8m cube plus 3 into 2 square means 4 multiplied by 4 into m square multiplied by 1 upon 5 plus 2 3s are 6m multiplied by 1 upon 5 bracket square means 1 plus square 1 and 5 plus square 25 plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube means 1 cube 1 and 5 cube 125 is equal to 8m cube plus 3 4s are 12m square upon 5 plus 6m upon 25 plus 125. Therefore, we can write 2m plus 1 upon 5 bracket cube is equal to 8m cube plus 12m square upon 5 plus 6m upon 25 plus 125 plus 1 upon 125. This is required answer.
Hello.